If you want to unlink your Booking.com account from your Facebook account, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. Step 1. Log into Booking.com. Visit the Booking.com website or open the app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option that mentions linked accounts or social media connections. Click on this option to view your linked accounts. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate the Facebook account in the list of linked accounts. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect it. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure you want to unlink your Facebook account. Confirm your decision to complete the process. After following these steps, your Booking.com account will no longer be linked to your Facebook account. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Booking.com customer support for assistance.